Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video we will be learning how to check deleted messages in WhatsApp. So starting off, let's learn how to check it from the settings. So in settings you will find an option called notifications. Click on that. After that, go to advanced settings. So here you need to go to notification history. Now if you have your notification history turned on, then you will be able to see all the notification history of apps. Now, the second method is to check it through your WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp, click on the three dots at the top right corner and go to settings. So here you need to click on chats, scroll down and you will find chat backup. Click on that and here you will find when your backup was made. So mine is 8:56 p.m. So you just need to follow the backup process, and what you're gonna do is uninstall your WhatsApp and reinstall through your Play Store. And that's it, my guys. That's how you check deleted message in WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.